You're in a new place now. Forget about the frozen mountains. They weren't your home. You have no home. This looks like a forest. You feel something strange here. Something wonderful and new. What can it be? A new color? You want to have it, but it's not the moment yet. Everything can bounce on green ground. If you try to jump while bouncing, you will do just the opposite. This place is warmer. You don't feel as cold. Maybe you are not as empty as before. Maybe there's something growing within you. You are in the forest, a breathing place where the mere breeze feels like the air abandoning the lungs of the earth itself.